Alright, so you have to hold the red button and hold your flame right here. And I don't think I'm going to be able to do that without dropping my phone. Let me see if I can. So pushing the red button and using the lighter in that spot, bam, we got a pilot. Now we're just continue to hold the red button, and what this does is it allows the pilot light to heat that thermocouple, which says, hey, we got good flame, it's okay to open the gas valve. But you have to hold the red button, continue to hold it for 20, 30 seconds, sometimes longer. If you take your finger off the red button and that pilot light goes out, just relight the pilot and hold the button in for a little bit longer. Once you're able to take your finger off the red button and continue to have a flame, then you're ready to go. Then you can slide the plate back into the base or the bottom of the oven, and then from that point you should be able to turn your thermostat dial and have the burner down here operate. Like I said, it may not come on right away, but that could be a function of not having the base plate in to distribute the gas. Sometimes it will come on right away. Like I said, if you blow on it, it'll help it work its way around. And at that point, you're literally ready to cook with gas. And I'm going to come back up here. Let me get rid of these. You want to put those back in. So I'm just going to see if any of these other pilot lights have started working, or if the gas has gotten up to them. Yep, the one there in the front, but the two in the back may or may not come on. But again, that's this particular oven. We've got 7 or 8 of these things, so in theory that pilot works. If it does, great. We try to monitor them all, but it gets difficult to keep them all functioning properly all the time. And again, grill lighter. And I hope this helps. Thank you.